A photo art photo editor is an application designed for Android devices that enables users to enhance and transform their images in a creative way. These applications typically come with a wide range of features, such as various filters, artistic effects, and tools for adjusting key aspects like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Users can apply unique artistic styles to their photos, allowing them to resemble paintings or drawings, which adds a distinctive flair to their visuals and can evoke different emotions. Furthermore, these editors often include options for incorporating text, stickers, and frames, facilitating personalized touches that can convey the user's individual style or message. This capability encourages users to tell stories through their images, making every photo a canvas for self-expression. The interface is generally user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and more experienced users, which fosters creativity regardless of skill level. Many of these applications also offer sharing options, enabling users to showcase their creations on social media platforms directly. Overall, such applications empower individuals to express their artistic vision and create visually captivating images directly from their smartphones, ultimately enhancing their overall photography experience. This not only allows for endless possibilities in photo editing, but also inspires users to explore their creativity and develop their own unique photography style. With the right tools at their fingertips, anyone can transform ordinary moments into extraordinary works of art.